Howdy. Just wanted to make a video on how to get these hoses on there, especially when it's cold like it is, and these are hard as a rock. First off, get the power steering fluid off of whatever nipple you're getting it on. Put your clamp on there, far enough down where you can reach without cutting your hand all to pieces. Get your heat gun out. Heat up the end. Try not to burn yourself. Or anything else for that matter. Now, when it comes to heating up anything plastic or rubber, like bumper covers and stuff like that, just keep the heat gun moving. Don't leave it in one place. Don't leave it too close. Just keep it moving. And you'll be able to get that thing super hot without burning it. You don't want it too terribly hot, because then it's just going to flippy-flop all over the place. But you want it warm enough to be flexible. Maybe a minute, depending on your temp outside. Right now it's in the 30s. So just keep it moving all the way around it. Oh, and don't drop your stuff while you're trying to do this. I got the glove on because that glove's getting pretty warm. Alright, once it's warm, then you spray the stuff I dropped onto the nipple, which is these. That helps it slip on there real easy. And there you go. While it's warm, you want to get your clamp on it, because then it will penetrate into that plastic or that rubber hose much better. Get you a nice good seal. There you go. See, that's it. It ain't going nowhere. Eventually, as it cools, you won't even be able to move it. I did the same thing here and all the other points where it goes underneath of there. So that's how you do it. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Appreciate your comments as well. Hasta luego. See ya. Oh, forgot. Happy trails.